In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get icons in Figma. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to access icon plugins, and how to drop the right icon straight onto your canvas without breaking your design style. Start by opening the Figma file where you want to use the icons. Make sure you're on the correct page and zoomed roughly to the area where the icon will go. This makes it easier to see the icon the moment it's added. Look toward the bottom of the Figma interface for the action search. This is Figma's quick way to find commands without hunting through menus. Click into it to bring up the search bar. You'll see categories you can filter by, which is helpful when you're looking for something specific. Next, switch to the Plugins and Widgets section. This filters the results so you're only seeing tools that extend Figma, like icon libraries. It's a handy way to avoid unrelated commands and jump right to the resources you need. In the search field, type the word icons. You'll see a list of icon-focused plugins appear. These plugins let you browse large libraries and insert icons directly into your design. Take a moment to skim the names and the descriptions to find one that matches the style you want, whether that's outline, filled, rounded, or sharp. If a plugin needs a quick install, follow the prompt. Otherwise, you can usually run it right away. Open your chosen plugin and use its search box to find exactly what you need. Try specific keywords like home, settings, profile, or search. Many plugins let you adjust size, weight, and fill before inserting. Choose the variation that best matches your design system, then click to place it into your file. The icon will appear on your canvas. Drag it to the right spot and scale it as needed. Most icons are vectors, so you can safely resize without losing quality. You can also tweak color using the fill panel to match your brand and adjust stroke weight if the plugin supports it. To keep things tidy, rename the icon layer so it's easy to find later. If you'll reuse it, consider turning it into a component and storing it in your library. Consistent sizing, color, and stroke settings go a long way in keeping your UI cohesive. And if you're working on a team, check your design system guidelines to make sure your icon style aligns with the rest of your components. That's it. You've opened your file, used actions to get to plugins and widgets, search for icons, pick the plugin, and place the perfect icon right where you need it.